This is today, 2026. Good evening, everyone. In the morning, I reported about what is going on in Plateau State, Southern Jos, and it is a war, a full-blown war. The jihadists are on rampage. They are not ceasing. This is not a matter of every day. I'm talking about ongoing war. Even the disease, the people that they took their life yesterday, people gathered to lay them to rest. But this, because of the war, they could not even lay them to rest in peace. They were running for their life like these people were shooting. Even the people that are dead, they can't even bury them. Then people continue to ask, what is Nigeria? Where are the security operatives? Anyway, take a listen.
Heads down, heads down, heads down! We just escaped from massive gunfire. It's massive. It's really, really massive. It's coming from behind us. They're shooting coming from the southern part of this community called Nding Susut, located in the Fan district of Barkin Ladi. 7 people were killed here last night. And now there's incoming fire. A massive terrorist advancing, and we can see so many of them camping ahead of us. It looks like there's not going to be any escape, but we're just going to have to try and get out of here one way or another. The whole of this community now overrun. You can hear machine guns, all sorts of gunfire.
This ongoing gunfire right behind those hills, where you can see the silver spots. Those are a group of houses that we believe are under ongoing attack. You can see youths from this community, where 7 people were killed last night, attempting to respond, but as you can see, this young man, what he has is just a feeble homemade pipe gun that cannot go anywhere. So most of them are either armed with machetes or slingshots or hunting rifles that can barely cover up to 50 meters. So they cannot bear to face the kind of gunfire, the firepower that is obviously possessed by the terrorists who are coming. We learn have seized and coming.
I'm so freaking tired. I gotta take another rest. Not using to running this long distances, and now I just did. Climbing uphill with serious gunfire. You can hear it in my background. Still incoming. There's a small unit of civilian responders, but I'm not sure any of them has made it out alive. I saw one when he was ferried on a motorcycle. Obviously after he was shot. I saw when he fell, and he was like 700 to 800 meters from where I was taking cover with my friend here. And I told him, hey, somebody's been shot. Somebody's been shot. And less than 10 minutes later, we saw a motorcycle with 3 people. the injured victim in the center. Oh God, it's coming. It's coming, it's coming. It's coming. Jesus. It's getting worse. Hey, heads down, bro.
Now, you see the reason why I have been saying this, that despite election is around the corner, that people should not solely concentrate on the elections. Like, people should not only pay attention to the election that people are doing. Like, these people now are leveraging on the concentrated attention to election to carry out onslaughts, to conquer more and more villages. They are wasting strong because you are talking about only 2027 election, leaving the major problem. But it has been like this all the years. Anytime election is coming close, people's emotion will be high towards the election. Then these people will go and hit. They will go and hit. It has been going on right from time. This is the way it has been. So, if I come out sometimes to tell people the reality, because of their emotion now, emotion that will soon evaporate, and they will begin to, like, their eyes will be blurred when this emotion will leave you later. We don't know what we are doing. Like, we don't know what we are doing. This is a full-blown war going on. Now, the people who armed themselves from this community, they did the right thing. Yes, they did the right thing. But unfortunately, they have not been able to finish arming themselves. They have not concluded the process. So the people that owns gun are few. So definitely, if these terrorists are many, because this war started like this since 3 days now, constant. So I believe that they might be able to overpower them, because these people have not finished arming themselves. There are not many that owns gun. But in these 3 days, where are the security operatives? They collude. In the voice of T.Y. Danjuma, he said, they collude. They collude. Like, I'm so bitter and heartbroken. It's unfortunate.
It's not about ransom. They just want to pass a message. We can come in. We can do what we need to do. And there are some hardliners in this government that are sponsoring this kind of narratives. They just want to show that they can Islamize this country. They think about Taliban. They think about the Mujahideen, and they want to replicate it in this country. And they don't care what happened. They simply don't care. As long as at the end of the day, there's Sharia, and there is whatever thing they have in their head, they want to achieve. So these people that are sending messages are sponsored by Nigerians. You remember this Boko Haram issue started since 2012. Yeah. And I was in the military intelligence that time. We arrested those people. It is my organization that actually conducts interrogation and interview. They mention names. I can't come on air and start mentioning names of people that are presently in government now that I know. Presently in government. That the boys that we arrested mentioned. Some of them are governors now. Some of them are in the Senate. Some of them are in Asu Rock. The intention is to Islamize Nigeria and practice Sharia. And it doesn't matter if some people die. It doesn't matter if you're embarrassed. It doesn't matter if our economy has degenerated. Look at the interest rate. Look at the inflation rate. Look at the debt profile of Nigeria. They don't care. As long as at the end, Quran is at the sea. So some people in this country have this mindset. And we must tell the truth. If you tell the truth, you die. If you don't tell it, you die. Some people have this mindset to Islamize the nation. And they are in the government. And people know them. The DSS know them. The NIA know them. The DIA knows them. You can't succeed without an inside person. And this attack you saw has insiders collaboration.